We'll explore into defikingdoms and how to build up your ledger in this video. 1. Configuring ledger to work with EVM dApps, such as defikingdoms. Please be cautious when acquiring a ledger and purchase directly from ledger or authorized resellers before proceeding with this step-by-step guide. Many people have been duped into buying digital assets from third parties and placing them onto a hacked hardware wallet. Important, i.e. do not take a photo of it, do not save it in a spreadsheet or Word document, do not save it in an email, save it only on pen and paper. Every ledger comes with a convenient card just for the purpose of storing your seed phrases. Step 1.1. Follow the directions in the box to set up your ledger. It's that easy. The directions on Ledger's website are also quite straightforward to follow. Install Ledger Live and create an Ethereum portfolio in step 1.2. For EVM dApps. The Ethereum app should already be open on your ledger at this time. An application is ready should appear on your ledger. If it isn't, go to your ledger's downloaded programs and find Ethereum, then launch it till you see application is ready on the screen. You're all set to connect to EVM compatible dApps now. 2. Linking Ledger to MetaMask and defikingdoms, but not importing. Connect Ledger Wallet to the MetaMask web browser extension in step 2.1. Open your MetaMask browser extension, hit Connect Hardware Wallet from the colorful circle to access the numerous wallets linked with that MetaMask extension. Important, do not select Import Account, which will request you to enter your Ledger hardware wallet seed phrases. As a result, the advantages of having a hardware wallet would be effectively nullified. Select only Connect Hardware Wallet instead. That's all there is to it. Please like and subscribe for more crypto material. Keep a lookout for new additions to this series.